Live streaming for today, Monday, the 10th of June. So, good morning, good morning, good morning. Okay, what we got here. Good morning. The sun is good. Good morning. So, let's get right to it. We've got GameStop doing all right, guys, here. We've got a nice pump in the pre-market. We have a good gap up for GameStop. But the price is still below the current resistance that we discussed earlier, around the 34. AMC the same. We hit with the major resistance around the $5. We got other unicorn that we have to discuss, like CLDI. This one, it was good in the pre-market, but we didn't continue after we hit with the major seller around the 43. Price continued to go down, down, down. This one could be good if we broke the 32. We're going to discuss it later. SPCE, SPEC went down. So this one I took it from the list. This one pulled back, PRC pulled back. Let me just check if we got something else going on in the pre-markets. Okay, the pre-market is kind of slow for today. Let's see. Yeah, we got top volume gainer for today, 72 million, two of them. We got AGRI and the other one PRST. So AGRI looking good right now, guys. Maybe we tune in to AGRI because the others didn't pump. It just pumped in the early pre-market, but we don't have the second pump. AGRI is like a tsunami, guys. There is other tsunami. Once the tsunami hit, there is always the second wave. So AGRI, yeah, we've got some support here, so we might have something for AGRI here. We could have a trade. We already discussed AGRI before because we already did this technical for it. Now we have to adjust our support. Yes, so we've got some level to break. First, we have to break this resistance almost up to 15 cents. Now it's pulling back. So AGRI could be good for today, guys. I'm gonna keep it first because it just jumped right now. Yes, just jumped right now, so it's still active. Someone asked about kiwi. I think I thought like you talk about the kiwi, the fruit, KWE, or I'm still hungry. I don't know. Let me just check kiwi. No trade for AGRI, not yet. Okay, we've got BNED. Let me just check those two. Hopefully kiwi will be juicy like the fruits because I really like the fruits. Uh, okay, kiwi looking really juicy, guys. I think I'm gonna eat this one. Oh, brother, this one looking really juicy here. It jumped from the 56. So this one just jumped right now, guys, but I don't like it because right now it's hitting a major resistance, so we might have a pullback anytime soon. So this one I'm gonna check if we're gonna have some profit taken after we hit. Yeah, this is a bit far. So we got this level. Yeah, Kiwi looking good, guys. So KWE, one of the stock that jumped right now in the pre-market. BNED, not good at all, so I'm going to take it from the list. So we got AGRI and Kiwi stock. BPRST, I'm going to take it from the list. It's really weak now. HOVR, I'm going to take it maybe from the list. I'm going to keep CLDI and DSY maybe. So now we've got two guys, KWE and AGRI. Those two looking pretty good. Okay, AGRI. Let me just put it on the list. Look good for a reversal. The other one, we've got KWE, which is the strongest one. Oh, brother, kiwi. We don't have kiwi. We have ananas instead. Oh, brother. So we don't have this one, man. We don't have KWE, guys. We don't have it in our broker, so we can't trade it. Anyway, so we've got AGRI instead. Let me just check if we entered right now how much we could risk. We could risk 10% and gain almost 15 because the breakout should be around almost the 15 cents. And this one, yes, this one we couldn't trade it. Over is going down big time. We're gonna lower the resistance there. Yeah, this one is the strongest, guys. I will watch it. It's like you're forbidden to eat something. You go in the restaurant and tell you this is forbidden to eat, and you just smell it and you can't touch it or eat it. The ultimate tease, man, the ultimate tease for me. SPWR early today. Good. Yes, TF, yeah. KWE is not on traded 212 exactly. So, guys, hit the like button on the way in. Okay, KWE, guys, is jumping from the 87, is going toward the $1. This one is the strongest stock for now. Wow, jumped 50% just before we went live. We had the breakout. AGRI, the only one that we could trade. Uh, okay, so this one is suspended, guys. AGRI has been limited to selling only. What's going on, guys? We're trading 2 and 2. Most of the stock that we try to trade today we couldn't trade it. It's just for sell only. I don't know what's going on. Yeah, GameStop have a huge wick on the 5 minute maybe, or the 1 hour. Yes, there is no huge wick. Where did you see it, brother? There's no huge wick. We just have a gap up. GameStop have a good reaction. At least we still holding the bottom here, the 2350. So GameStop want to test the 3390. So we might have a nice jump here, almost 13 or 14% if we held over this gap. So GameStop looking good. Before the market open, we might have some action, then squeeze down. What's going on here for GameStop? We have some people talking about it. Let's freaking go, ready for launch. Yeah, anybody seeing buying spikes on the short? We just company to come out and also they finish. Yeah, everybody talk about the spike, but I couldn't see it. Let me just go on the yeah here. Yeah, as on my broker here, we have the spike as well until the 36, I think. Yeah, around the 36. So yeah, we have a huge spike, almost the 36, but it didn't held this level. Let me just go on the 1 minute. You see, didn't hold. We have a huge spikes so many times for GameStop. You see, almost 20%. So we might have a nice entry and exits around this spike. Let's see if we could have this. You see, we have a huge spike here again. Let me just try to do limit order, sell order around the 34 to exit. Yeah, around the 35. Let's see, to snatch some profit. So we did the yeah. Okay, but yeah, you see this sell limit order around the 35 didn't trigger, even though I put it around the 35, but it didn't trigger. So guys, this is kind of a bot. So you couldn't buy and sell here. It's kind of jump in a few seconds and go down. So don't bother about this reaction, guys, for GameStop. It's not real reaction because in TradingView there's no spikes. This is bot trading, brother. Yeah, everybody talking about those spikes, guys. Yeah, in TradingView you can see the spikes, but here you can see mini spikes. Usually we have those kind of spikes once we have volatility, but at the same time, those volatility is kind of come and go. It's kind of not a human. Those people who buying right now is not people, guys. It's a bot because it's jumping 18% and go down, 50% and go down in a few seconds. You see, just 2 seconds. So this is not normal behavior, guys. I think there's a glitch. AMC, on the other hand, I think we don't have this reaction on AMC. If we go here, let us check AMC if it has the same spikes as GameStop. So AMC don't have the spikes. You see, it's normal. For GameStop, we have a huge spikes, guys. Look at that, 20% jump, guys. Look at this, 20%. The price jump. Look at this, jump 20% and go down, 20% and go down. And you can't sell over there, guys. It's impossible to sell on this range around the 34, 5. So the price jumped from the 29 until 35. This is madness. And we don't have just one spike to say this is kind of anomaly or no. We have one, two, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 candle, guys. 9-minute candle. 9-minute candle. All of them spiking out. It's kind of yeah. The spikes started early today, just 10 minutes before we started our live streaming. The spikes started from below, then started from above. So we have a kind of volatility of buying pressure. But again, guys, this is not normal. Usually when we have this kind of spikes, we have haltation. Burrow is getting a lot of hype. Burrow is getting a lot of hype. Yes, brother. But again, I'm not hyped until we break the 22.55. If we break the 22.55, we are good. So Burrow, I'm going to put it on the list as well. AGRI, not ready yet. DSY, not ready. CLDI. Kiwi didn't break, guys. This juicy stock. They name it Kiwi because it's KWE. It's not Kiwi, guys. I know. Don't be angry at me that I spell it wrong. But I make it simpler by resemble the ticker symbol. So I don't have to say KWE, but I just say Kiwi. Because Kiwi loves Kiwi, man. I love juice kiwi. I like the cocktail kiwi and banana and milk. Really good. So whatever you see, guys, is the thing that you want. So if you go on a cloud or you see in a cloud, I don't know, beautiful woman, it means you're missing like a beautiful woman in your life. That's why whatever you see, it's something you miss in your life. If you see ice cream, it means you want ice cream. It's kind of a trick your brain tell you that you're missing this thing. The same here with the chart or with the ticker. When I see KWE, I saw or the name resemble kiwi because and I want to eat kiwi. Exactly, TF. Guys, hit the like. Great. Thank you for the reminder, brother, to hit the like for everybody. Remember, guys, we always go live every day, 30 minutes before the market open. Who's ready? Yeah, GameStop, guys, we have a huge action in the pre-market here. We have a huge action. Let me just check here what's going on. This is promising. Follow and buy. The bouncing up and down like a Colombian. It's going with these jumps, a huge buying. Stocks are under influence. Let's freaking go. Everybody talking about the spikes, guys. Everybody talking about the spikes. So someone asks if this is a technical reason. No, this is a technical problem, brother. Not technical reason, but technical problem. Okay. So this problem would solve on the market open, guys, because in the pre-market always we have this kind of reaction, low volatility, low volume. So usually we're gonna have this kind of reaction. Uh, Let me just check here the volatility for GameStop. Let us go over there and check the volume for GameStop. Whoa, 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 whoa. Where's GME here? Okay, okay, okay. We've got something here. There's always something. Anyway, AGRI is still going down. DSY, nothing. CLDI, Burrow, KWI. Okay, so GameStop, guys, the barcoding will be kind of solved. It's kind of barcoding, but not barcoding. This one, we have a huge volatility for low volume pre-market for GameStop. This is will be solved on the market open, guys. If we saw this reaction the week during the market open, yeah, this will be a big problem. However, we have this in pre-market, so it's normal. Usually, it happened for many stocks in the pre-market, but during the market open, we should have different scenario like this normal candle. We'll see. And of course, if we have this kind of reaction during the market open, GameStop will be halted, and this will solve the problem. So the price will be halted here. We're not gonna have a wick. We're gonna have a gap instead. Freed, yes, brother. France, brother, France, the city of light. Guys, hit the like button on the way in. Remember, we always go live earlier every day here on our live streaming that we do on our Discord and Bitch every day. And of course, after we finish our live streaming, we always do short analysis update, as you can see here for many stocks. GameStop was one of them. We suggest to take profit around the 56 before the pressure that happened before, around the 6th or the 6th of January. After that, the 7th of June, this one game over, went down. GameStop went down after the 7th of June. That's why we suggest to take profit before the 66. Price drop after down. So now the GameStop, we're pulling back a bit to fill the gap. So today we're gonna have a huge action, guys. So remember, disclaimer before we start our live streaming. Remember, guys, remember our live streaming is a bit delayed, so don't follow me blindly. Do your due diligence before you put your money on the line. And we're not financial advisor. Always be vigilant and be careful that the market is really risky. So don't put money you're willing to lose. Plus, guys, we have 30 seconds for the market open. Today is Monday, so hit the like, subscribe, and let's hit the market for today and have a green day, everybody. So, who's ready for today, guys? Who's ready for today? Kiwi has only 7 million shares. Oh, brother, yes, this one could run for today. Guys, this one, it looked really good and ready to squeeze for today. We can't have it. We don't have it on our broker, guys. That's why we put it away from the list. So now we watch it AGRI because this one could be good for the market open and squeeze up. GameStop, we might be good as well. AGRI, we have support on the 1133. AGRI again, we can't buy this one. So I'm gonna take it from the list as well. Okay, what else? CLDI, nothing much. DSY, uh, Hero, nothing much. Kiwi jumped, guys, squeezing toward the 102, and I think it's halted. Kiwi is the strongest stock for today, guys, and still squeezing right now, going toward the $1. Uh, I almost bought this one, but I can't because it's forbidden in our broker. So Kiwi, guys, is the only one that's looking good. GameStop still holding. FFID, nothing much. AGRI, nothing much. Guys, Kiwi hit our profit ticket, $1.02. Great hunt for our people or hunters who trading in the United States. Kiwi was the best one right now. Yeah, Levine. Yeah, Kiwi just hit our profit taking, the 102. That's why it's flushing right now. What a nice trade for this one, man. I feel a bit FOMO because we miss 21% on this trade because if we go back here, KWE, guys, is not even there. It's not even there. Anyway, GameStop and AMC, nothing much. Yeah, now I feel FOMO because this one was perfect, guys. And we were ready to enter, but yeah, we couldn't find it. So sometimes the market is tight, and once you see a stock, you can't find it on your broker. This is would be even worse because you don't have other options, you know. You don't have other options. So we don't have to complain. We have to wait for other opportunity. As we said, there's always opportunity in the market. GameStop is going down to build the gap. As we discussed today, guys, we need to break the 33.93 to have a squeeze up. Otherwise, we're gonna continue to go down for this selling pressure. Okay, CLDI, I think it's game over here. Yeah, this one is game over, guys. Broke the trend. Yikes. CLDI, yikes. Doesn't look good now. It broke the flag down. Again, this one, I still have hope for it if we reverse on the 18. So already have alert around the 32, so I'm gonna leave it be for now. Wow, Kiwi, nice man, nice test for our profit ticket, and it's flashing now. It's going down. For Burrow, I'm gonna take it from the list here. ASNS, I'm gonna keep it down. It's having something interesting. ASNS is stuck to reverse from the bottom $1.38. GME, what's going on here? What's going on? Why we have the alert? Aha, I think we have not GME, but GM, I think. Yeah, GM is breaking. Nice. NVIDIA, guys, we have a split 10 to 1. If you remember, guys, NVIDIA was around 1,000 shares per share last week, and now is 120. Usually stock do split to lower their price share to make investors trade or invest more in their stock. So this is good for many stocks, guys. Tesla did it, many stock did it before. When the price share of the stock go higher over the 1,000, they do split in order to make it pretty cheap to buy. So it's better than the reverse split. Reverse split is the opposite of split. So NVIDIA, guys, looking really strong and still holding after the split. And we have dividends coming up in 11 June. So NVIDIA, guys, is everybody, any billionaires want to invest, they just put on NVIDIA. That's why NVIDIA has continued to pump without stopping. The better place to park your money, the safest place, because everybody hyped on AI. And NVIDIA is the number one in AI right now. Watch out. FFIE pulling back. GameStop is filling the gap. Officially, we filled the gap. Let's see. DSY is still number one. This one, no. Opera. 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 Yeah, it's hitting kind of profit taking. We have major resistance around the $17. Yes, jumping Opera, jumping 20%. Given this. Yeah, to be honest with you guys, the only one that did good today or have a chance to be a unicorn is the KWE, guys. This is the only one that looked good. The only stock that looked good right now. CORZ breaking out. CROZ. Let me just check this one. CR or CO. CO. Let me just check this one out. Breaking out, but the trend is really not good. Anyway, KWE is the only one. SPEC, I think I put it. Yeah, I took it from the list. SPE. Let me just check it for you, brother. Yeah, it's going down, so it's not good, even technically. Because as we said, we need to break the 82 to have something, but this one doesn't look good. So KWE is the only one, guys. Kiwi. have 29.2. How to get 0.2%. I think there's a kid, brother. They're counting a baby. Let me just check where did you get this? Employees 29.2. Oh man, this is really funny. I think there's women pregnant, like pregnant with a baby of 2 months. So this is how you calculate 29.2. So 0.2% is the baby inside the woman like stomach. So this is the only explanation, guys, to see 29.2 employee. And if you think about it, guys, if you have a company and you have a woman is pregnant, should the baby have a salary as well? Because the baby is coming with their mother to work. So technically, the the business owner should pay more for the pregnant woman because he have to pay for the baby as well because the baby working, he come with the mother and it's technically working with the mother, so it's kind of the mother should get a minimum wage on the 2 months baby inside her stomach. We should change the rules, guys. This is crazy. Okay, KWE is about to break right now. KWE is about to break the $1.06. Yeah, I think we're gonna have a breakout right now for KWE. $1.06, $1.03. Yes, we're gonna have a breakout at any moment. KWE is about to break again. Yeah, still looking juicy, guys. This is the only stock, as we said, that looking good, but we don't have it on our broker. We don't have it. Mm-mm-mm-mm. We don't have KWE. So this stock, I think we don't have analyst rating yet. And this is the website. Cool website. Next generation tactical system. Military, public safety, investors. Okay, so it's military related. For agency to support, to deserve ensuring all clients have the most effective technology to manage risk and protect human lives. Interesting. So you see the name is cute, but the company is focusing on military thing. Yeah, FFIE kind of breaking the support. You have this support to hold over the 50 cents. KWE looking still good. Yeah, this is really the only one that look good, guys. DSY maybe would be good as well for now, but they still have the 460 as a resistance. AMC and GameStop will still continue to go down, guys. So for GameStop, it's going to fill the gap for today. We have a huge gap here to fill around the 23.56. Okay, I'm gonna put support around the 25, 24, just in case the force support. 23.07. Okay, DSY looking good. We might have some action for DSY. Okay, DSY is moving. I don't know if we could buy this one. Yeah, we could, but now we have to break the 460. We might have a good entry here for DSY. The only one with KWE that we could trade. KWE, we don't have it, so it was good to buy just on the market open and take profit there on the 105. Now it's halted down. DSY, on the other hand, is starting to move, so we might have the short seller cover around the 460. We have the 536 as a target for this one to go to. So DSY looking good. So we have really little stocks to watch, not too much. The rest is not good. GameStop is still looking good, guys, because we're still holding the 25, 24. Nazim, yes. Nazim, yeah, it's still good for GameStop. So as long as we hold the current support is okay for a reversal. MLGO. MLGO is flying. Someone said it's flying. 28. Yes, kind of flying, but those kind of flying without parachute, I'm concerned about. It's kind of a suicide here. If you jump without a parachute, guys, it's not wise. Yeah, someone did it without a parachute, but there's a big net. I think the guy fell in the net. Was a crazy guy who just fell from the airplane without a parachute, but he manages to fall on a big net. So the same with MLGO, guys. This one, light volume, jumping like crazy. So is high risk, high reward for MLGO. High risk, high reward because we get in near a major resistance. So we get in near a major resistance, which is the 672. So MLGO, we have KWA or Kiwi. It's halted down. GME is kind of reversing right now. So MLGO, DSY, and KWE. MLGO, as we said, is really high risk, high reward. Support for now is over the 486, exactly there. We have a resistance to break around the 672. We're missing 10% on this trade to go higher once again. Yeah, we might have a calculated risk trade here. We anticipate a little bit of kick of 10% before a resistant, before a major rejection. So yeah, 672 guys should be a target to exit. Okay, let's keep watching MLGO because this one could give a little kick, then squeeze down. 670 guys is about to be hit right now. 670 for MLGO. 670, come on. Or at least 665 before a flush because it already exploded, guys. This one is overextended. Look at that. Already did 50%. So we might have a pullback. The pullback should be good here around the 550. Would be healthy pullback. But would be good if we just kick for a little bit before a flush. So we could have a nice exit here around the $7. We need a little kick, a little more. Give me a little more. We need a little more of kick. After that, we could dive down. Okay, Kiwi is unhalted. And I think this one it will flush now, guys. If we broke this 76, it means we're gonna flush down. This is it. If we broke, we're gonna flush. Yes, time to flush for Kiwi. It was really good to enter on the market open. It was here. Really good. Enter and exits. Yeah, 26%. Really good. MLGO, guys, is about to hit the target 672. But the short seller not saying no. Still not yet. What we got here. PGY, someone said is reversing. Jimmy, thank you for the reminder. We have unusual options on DJT, Donald Trump stock. We might have a breakout. Check it later. Thank you for the reminder. Good afternoon, John. Good afternoon, brother. We watching MLGO. We discuss MLGO, brother, for this reversal over the 540. MLGO want to test the 670. Kiwi is fighting just over the support. AMC, guys, at GameStop, as we discussed, there is a chance for a reversal over the 25.24. If we have the 25.24 right now, would be good indicator that we have a big buyer. And the confirmation for that after we break the 33 for a squeeze up toward the 38 for GameStop. So GameStop is getting attention from the volume. You see here, the volume is getting near the 30 right now, so it's not bad. AMC started to reverse as well. As we discussed, the 450 is the reversal. The confirmation for reversal is over the $5. So we need to be patient here. MLGO started to dump down. But again, we have the 540 as a support for MLGO. The squeeze will start for MLGO again after we break or make the short cover around the 672. This is normal that we have this pullback because MLGO jumped 50%. So now it's pulling back. DSY, the same, is pulling back because the seller just came around the 460. We need a bit of time for DSY to give us some action and go toward the 526. REMB, we have a new bumper here. Some of the stock just squeezed, guys, from the 172. And I think it's got halted and now unhalted. Yes. But it's getting risky by the minute. This one is getting risky. Look at this pullback, man. Yeah, unhalted and went down right now. Yo, this one looking crazy. RENB looking really crazy. MLGO and RENB have the same kind of technical. Both of them pumped on low volume quickly and then pull back. RENB the same. We have really light volume on it. Yes, it's picking up in momentum, but we expecting a reversal, guys, over the 170 for this one. This will be good. If we reverse here, will be good entry over the 160. CCM, John, why CCM? Why we should check CCM? Not good, just from the technical brothers, not good. This one pumped and dumped. This one pumped and dumped back in 30th of June, Monday, last week, and dumped on the end of the week. However, now, John, this one looking good for a reversal. If we broke the current resistance around the 118, So yeah, this one could go toward the 190 to 80 and the 470. But the current situation is still low in volume, plus the seller is still heavily positioned around the 118. Okay, I'm gonna lower the profit taken around the 150. The other one around the 239. Yeah, this one pulling back. MLGO is good still. 540 is the support that we discussed. GameStop is still holding, guys. The support, as we said, the 25.24 for GameStop. GameStop still looking good. Oh, okay, DJT. Everybody talking about DJT. Yeah, 5 or 2.5. Still looking good. Yeah, DJT will squeeze after we break the 56.50. Yeah, we have a big buyer over the 41, so there's a chance for a squeeze for this one soon, guys. Yeah, DJT looking pretty nice. Someone said that I missed the CORZ reversal. CORZ. I think we check it. Or that I think we check it, but we don't like it. Yeah, jumped. Yeah, jumped to our profit taken, brother. We discussed the breakout exactly here around the 720 on our pre-market. Yes, it was good. Yeah, it was good. A trade for this one. Yeah, 17% even, not 10%. MLGO, guys, is testing an important support. The 540 RANB is a bit dangerous. DSY didn't break the 460. That's why we put him back. KWE, guys, broke the support. The first support. Now we have only support to hold around the 5 or the 56. Exactly, the 56. AMC and GameStop still holding the support, guys. We're still waiting for a reversal. MLGO still fighting over the 540. Nice. GM looking good, guys. We have a 2% jump for GM. MLGO broke the support. MLGO broke the support early. So yeah, it's going down to the bottom now. Yeah, over the 475. We have a bottom for MLGO to reverse run. Mhm. CORZ, guys, one of the stock that did really good, just broke our resistance on the market open. We discussed this breakout. We suggest to take profit around the 757 and the other one 838. So two profit taken triggered, and now we have targets around the $10. For this one might go toward the 10, guys. We just below the $10. It's still strong. GameStop is going on the green side, guys. GameStop is going on the green side again. So let us narrow down the stocks that look good right now. DSY still have a chance for squeeze later, guys. KWE, or yeah, still okay because it's still holding the support. MLGO the same, still holding the support there. And CORZ already had two profit taken, so now it's getting risky, guys, for this one. It's getting risky. It was good or better entry on the market open. The market open was perfect entry. Yeah. So this is usually the case, guys. Sometimes the market, uh, like, never give you honey. So don't force the thing and try to get like whatever, like sugar like the white sugar from the store. So it's better to not eat any sugar except honey, because then you know that the other sugar is not healthy for you. The same here with the market, guys. If you want to force a trade, this means you're gonna eat the white sugar. You know, it's not healthy for your body. It's better to wait for the honey. And if you want to see or find the like the bee cave or beehive or whatever, to get the honey, natural honey, you have to hunt it down because it's really hard to get. So for today, no honey because we missed this trade, guys, KWE and the market open, or even before the market open around this breakout, because we don't have it on our broker. The other stock that we kind of didn't trade is, yeah, DSY. We anticipated the breakout here, but it didn't happen. So yeah, this one was really interesting trade on the market open, but we don't have enough buyer to have a breakout here. GameStop, on the other hand, yes, it pulled back instead to fill the gap. Still looking good because we're still holding this so over this 25. So overall, the market is not active for today. We have kind of pulled back a not strong market like on the market open. So usually we have a pre-market strong, and during the market open we have at least the first 30 minutes of pump. Then we have pullback. For today we have the opposite actually. Stock pumped in pre-market and dive down in pre-market. And even the stock that we found, they're not available. So this will make the matter even worse because even if we found a good setup, it wasn't there. Yes, so the idea here, guys, if we don't find a good setup, never force the trade. And of course, we gonna continue watch the stocks later on because there's always opportunity in the market, guys. The market sometimes doesn't give us honey in the pre-market and early market open, but could give us in the before the close. So we're gonna watch the market closely and check if we're gonna have another entry for some stocks because we anticipate a reversal for these stocks. Especially for DSY, guys, right now is doing all right. So we might have a green for this one because it's still holding this level over the $3.56. Dean, can you show the chart for SPEC? The chart for SPEC is still kind of dicey because the support is not that clear. It's a bit far, to be honest, around the 44. Resistance still as well is not clear enough. So I don't suggest trade this one, guys. It's kind of risky now for SPEC. It's not interesting for me right now. It's not beautiful. So I'm gonna leave it be. The one that looked really good technically is DSY, guys. DSY. DSY is about to break the 460, so we might have profit taken around the 526 now for DSY. Look really strong. Guys, hit the like button on the way in. Let's hit the 100 likes. Thank you for the support, everybody. We always go live every day on our YouTube 30 minutes before the market open. And of course, if you want to have early access to our Hunter channel, of course, you can join us on our early hunts live streaming 2 hours and 30 minutes before the market open on our Discord and YouTube. MLGO is halted. MLGO is halted up, guys. It started to reverse. Now unhalted. MLGO looking good. As we discussed, guys, the bottom was 475. As long as we hold the bottom, we are good to go to have a reversal. However, guys, this one have a bit of resistance right now around the 560. If we got rejected here, we might pull back toward the 475. So be ready for this reaction. 562. DSY is preparing for squeeze as well. GameStop and AMC going to the green side. DSY, man, this one looking good. Okay, we have breakout for DSY. Yes. MLGO. See what's going on with MLGO, guys? 560. got rejected. AMC is not ready yet, guys. As everybody asking what's going on with AMC. Should we buy? Should we sell? The $5 is the big seller still. So we're not confirmed about the big buy yet. GameStop resistance is a bit far around the 32.87. Let me just check here. DSY looking really good right now. We need to hit the 526. Four. Patience, patience, everybody. It's really easy to say, you know? It's easy to say to someone have patience unless you experience it yourself. So DSY, patience, man, patience. Nazim is already out from DSY. I know, guys, I know. Everybody say, be patient, be do this, do that. The only way to test the water is to jump inside the water. So it's easy to say patient if you're not taking the trade. It's easy to be patient if you're not doing the work, you know? If you sleep, you don't know about the time. The time will pass very quickly. But if you do something, if you train for marathon, if you run the marathon, you're gonna know that the 3 hours will be or will be felt like eternity if you run the marathon. So the same with trading. The trading feel like eternity. If you open a trade and the trade never go to your profit taking, you're gonna feel eternity, man. It's like why never go up? And you just looking, keep looking. But if you're not taking the trade and you just go at your like watching other trade, you see the other trade went really quickly to the profit taking because you're not watching it. MLGO testing again the resistance, guys. MLGO looking pretty juicy right now. Okay, guys, we have to wrap up our live streaming for now. For sure, we're gonna do another update on live streaming tomorrow as usual. But at the time being, we're gonna do a major update for you guys on our unicorn hunt or day trade, whatever you want to call it. We're gonna update you for GameStop and the other stocks that still want to squeeze, like MLGO. We're gonna discuss them in a bit, guys. We're gonna do a short analysis update, so join us over there for our continue coverage to the market, because we not over, the market is not closed, you guys. So I just put the link in the comment section below if you want to join us for more in-depth analysis for many stocks. And of course, if you have any question, please guys leave it here on the question channel on our Discord. You can post your question there, and we're gonna be and like reply on your messages as soon as possible. So thank you for watching, everybody. See you by tomorrow at the same time, 30 hours or 30 minutes, not 30 hours, 30 minutes before the market open. Thank you for watching, everybody. See you by tomorrow.